Here on Elk Beach in West Seattle, gentle waves splash on the sand of the Puget Sound. It's tough to think of a better place to spend the day, which makes it the perfect spot for an amazing restaurant. Driftwood describes its menu as hyper-local, and the combination of amazing plates and a perfect atmosphere make this a must-see spot for foodies and beach lovers alike.
It's just absolutely beautiful seeing the Puget Sound.
It really feels like it brings the outdoors in, those like feelings and vibes transmit in through the restaurant.
No better way to enjoy your meal.
We're very representative of time and place, and the intention of the restaurant is to celebrate Washington.
Owners Jackie and Daniel Malahan use the inspiration of the area to make their restaurant the ideal spot for everyone who loves the Evergreen State.
You know, you get the sounds of people and families on the beach, even on like crazy wintry, rainy days. You just can hear the water splashing up against the bulkhead out there, which is just a lot of fun.
And as for their menu,
Everything like serves a purpose, and all the flavors like build off of each other and very complementary of each other.
There's a lot of depth, I feel like. Every time like you take a bite, there's more layers that keep getting unpacked.
All their seasonal stuff, great. You know, from the winter kales to where we're at now. Can't wait to see what they're gonna have in summertime.
I don't think I've ever been to a restaurant before that's as local as you guys. I mean, you don't go outside of Washington.
Yeah, we're hyper-seasonal, hyper-local. The menu changes all the time. Most of what we're bringing in is coming directly from the farm partnerships and farmers markets, and then those relationships are just cultivated through shopping with them and having those conversations. I trust them to just like tell me whatever ingredient is abundant and awesome, and they trust me not to mess it up too much.
stay tuned because later in the show, Chef Daniel and I are making a special Washington carrot dish.
Hummus means chickpea, so to say chickpea hummus, you're just saying hummus. So I don't know if people know that.